In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the front brakes on your Scion XB. This is going to be located behind the front wheel. Let's get started. Remove the hubcap. Using a 21mm socket, remove the 5 lug nuts. Remove the wheel. We're going to install a bleeder bottle onto our bleeder. Using an 8mm wrench, crack the bleeder free. I'm going to use a flat blade screwdriver and I'm going to push the caliper piston back. You're going to see all of the fluid come out of our hose. Push it all the way back. Once it's fully pushed back, close your bleeder screw. Get it nice and snug. Remove your bleeder bottle. Using a clean rag with some parts cleaner, clean up any mess you made. Using a 14mm socket, remove the caliper bolts. Crack them both free. And remove them. I'm going to use a hook off of my spring. Pull the caliper off. I'm going to hang it on this hook so there's no pressure hanging on my hose. Using a 17mm socket, remove the caliper bracket bolts. Crack them both free and remove them. Remove the caliper bracket. Remove the rotor. Using a wire brush, clean the hub. Get it all nice and shiny. I'm going to apply a bit of Never Seez around our hub. I'm going to put my rotor on backwards and spray it down with some brake parts cleaner. Give it a wipe with a rag. Getting off all of the assembly oil. Do the same thing on the other side, flip it over. Remove the pads out of the bracket. Remove the tins, pull them straight out. If you need to, you can use a flat blade screwdriver. Do the same thing on the other side. Remove the caliper pins. Give them a wipe. Clean off all of the old grease. We're going to use some silicone paste. Put a light skim coat on our pin. Reinstall it. When you reinstall it, work it around. Make sure it moves around freely. We don't want these stuck. Repeat the same thing on the other pin. Using a wire brush, we're going to clean where the tins are going to sit in our caliper. Repeat this on both sides. We're going to use some silicone paste where our tins are going to sit and give it a nice light skim coat. Do this on both sides. Install the tins. Do this on both sides. We're going to install the squealers onto our pads. Push it straight down on. Be sure that tab is facing the brake pad material. Do this on both pads. We're going to install our pads into our bracket. And be sure that it moves freely inside of the clips. Do the same thing on the other side. Install the bracket around the rotor. Install the caliper bolts. Snug the bolts down. Torque the caliper bolts to 79 foot-pounds. Install the caliper around the pads. Get the bolts started. Snug them down. Remove the caliper hook if you used one. Torque the caliper bolts to 25 foot-pounds. Now that you're done your brake job, go ahead and pop in the car, press the brake pedal a few times and pump them up. Make sure you have good pressure and top off your master cylinder. Install the wheel, get all the lug nuts started, snug them down. Torque the wheels in a star pattern to 79 foot-pounds. Install the hubcap, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.